All right. Well, I just want to say thank you for sticking with me this hour and enjoying the different product videos and the experiences this evening. I want to say a big thank you to Candy for hosting this online fun party tonight, and I cannot wait to share with you what your shopping spree is. So, where do we go from here? Well, if you haven't messaged me already, you want to start Facebook messaging me your shopping list. But make sure before you do that, you have completed the registration link that is pinned at the top of the event. Okay? I appreciate it so much. Now, once you've completed the registration link and you private message me, you will get a response from me. Now, if you've already private messaged me and I haven't responded yet, please know that that will happen soon. I promise I'll message you. I'm here. I'm going to get to everybody as quick as I can and get you taken care of. This online party and your shopping and orders will go through midnight tomorrow evening. So make sure you get your messages in to me before then so I can invoice you. You will get an email invoice from me, and I will be sending that. My email, just so you know, is cindy@pureromance.com. And when you see that, you will know it's me. In the email, or the email is an invoice. It will have a clickable link to pay. You click Pay the Invoice. It's secure through my PayPal account, Pure Romance by Cindy PayPal account. And you'll click and you can pay with the debit card or the credit card of your choice, or if you have a PayPal account and want to pay through your PayPal or from your PayPal account, you can. Now, all products will be shipped to you directly from me, and you will receive them within 2 weeks, from today. So you'll have them within 2 weeks from today, and they will come to you packaged in a discreet mailer via USPS. And it will just have our names on the packages. It won't say anything revealing, or it just looks like you've been shopping on eBay or Amazon or whatever. Very discreet packaging with our names on it within 2 weeks from today. Now, I do want to explain sales tax and shipping fee. First, the shipping fee is a flat rate shipping fee. It is $7, and that is a blessing because that means no matter how many things you get, I'm just going to charge you a flat rate shipping of $7. So if you purchase one per product, it's a $7 fee. If you purchase 20 products, it is a $7 fee, okay? Flat rate shipping. Sales tax, because my business, I live in the state of Tennessee, my business is out of the state of Tennessee, sales tax will be Tennessee sales tax. I have to do that as state law. And I do pay sales tax up front on all my products. So I have, whether I purchase from Pure Romance, I have to recoup that. So sales tax for the state of Tennessee is 9 1/4. 9 1/4 sales tax. So just when you get your invoice, I like for people to understand what those numbers are and what they mean. Now, I will also be posting the sale that I'm going to offer you. I'm going to say it quickly here and then watch for the Treat Your Selfie image so you can see the big sale for this online party. Treat Your Selfie. I've already talked about doing something that makes you feel really good and it's healthy for you and healthy for your relationships. So I'd like to thank you for treating your selfie and make it easier for you to get more things this evening. So when you treat your selfie to 4 or more products this evening, you will enjoy a 10% discount on your entire order. When you treat your selfie to 6 or more products this evening, you will be able to enjoy a 15% discount on your entire order. And last but not least, when you treat your selfie to 8 or more products, you will receive 20% off your entire order. It adds up quickly. It is a nice savings, a great, great sale. So just keep that in mind, the 4, the 6, and the 8, and I do the math from there. It's that simple. I want to thank you very much. Thank you again, Candy. Once again, private message me. And when you're entering in your products, it's easier if you will be sure if you can include if it has a flavor, your flavor preference, excuse me, or a scent preference, which I'm happy to message back and ask you. However, if you remember that, it does save us each time. So just always just try to throw out those helpful hints if possible. I'm so excited. I can't wait to check out all of your messages and the shopping that it is that you want to do. Happy to answer your questions. And I also would love, love, love to party with you. And I'd love to send you more information on Pure Romance and this amazing, fun, rewarding income opportunity. Thank you. I've enjoyed my time with you.